Hello everybody, I am the Valley Viking, and today I am not going to be doing a punishment. As much as I would probably want to, not really, but instead I'm going to be trying a new flavor of a soda. I will be doing a punishment on another day though, don't worry. For now, we're going to try out the Cactus Cooler. I don't think I've had this one before, but I could be wrong. This is something that I think has been around for a very long time. And I didn't think we sold them, but I seen them up front before I left, and I said, oh, I gotta try that out. So, let's give it a shot. Ooh, that smells pretty good. It is. Just like that. Okay. Ooh. 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 That tastes like orange sherbet. That's pretty good. For a second there, I got really grossed out, and then I realized that they were trying to simulate, I think, sherbet flavored, but it is orange pineapple blast. So interesting that it tastes like orange sherbet. Yeah, okay, there's a little bit of pineapple there. That's not bad. Now, before I end the video, because it was a really small thing that I wanted to try, I do want to try one more thing. And I probably shouldn't have drank that first, but damn. This is LaCroix. You probably know that. I've tasted a lot of bubblies and a lot of different things on here, including, I think this flavor before. This is pamplemousse. Or pamplemousse. I think it's pamplemousse though. I haven't tried this in a long time. I think I tried it once before and it didn't work too well. But I'm going to try to chug this. And I thought it would be a good punishment because before I couldn't do it and it was an instant reaction. So let's try it again, but I'm going to try to make it all the way to the end. Okay, ready? LaCroix pamplemousse. Okay, let me just, okay, had to empty the tank. This is terrible to say, I apologize. And I apologize ahead of time if you don't like this content. It's too cold. Brain freeze. No. No. There is nothing left but the drops. Okay. Alright. The burp was buried underneath so many other burps and sorta. Alright. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody. Bye bye.